commercial thing breaks things at times. I don't know. I don't know why I added this. Just watch a couple of seconds or minutes for forever, how long, I don't know. But like, just watch the advertisement for Ice Peas cereal. Watch. Boy, oh boy, I am thirsty on this hot day. Wait a minute, it's December. That makes sense. Darn it! It's December. Why would? Are you an idiot and forgot it's December and you're hot on December? Well, I have some good news for you. Now serving our special Ice Pea Shooter cereal. It's very icy and cold, just like December, where it's gonna be hot. Whoa, so you mean I shouldn't buy hot cocoa and get this nice, delicious Ice Pea Shooter cereal so I can fill my icy and hot needs? No duh. The cereal will make you so happy that you might blow up or become a spicy spaghetti monster that goes inside human corpses. Now, try it real quick. Wait, so are you telling me that this cereal is very good and it has protein in it and it won't make me throw up 5 seconds after eating it? And you're telling me that I won't become spaghetti monster man person thing? Guy that hops into corpses?
No, run. They're making me say this just for people to confirm. It's actually horrible. Please run. I am being paid to do this, and I do not want to hurt you. Please run. Never come back. It will not fill your needs. You will be in pain for the next 5 months. If you do not, if you just eat this, you will be in pain forever. You have to stop eating this right now, or you will actually never stop feeling pain, okay?
Now, I bet you will just love our Ice Pea cereal. It's new and you can find it in stores like Target, Walmart, Fred Meyer's, and other glorious shopping places. By the way, you won't. And just be happy that you got it. Well, see ya. Remember, we get the fresh stains out or other stuff. Yeah, it gets the tough stains out. Wait a minute. Oh no, cut the camera. No, cut the camera. Guys, cut the camera. No, that wasn't supposed to happen. No, I didn't mean to say that. No. I hate that commercial. Please, no, cut that. No, is this live? Please don't say this live. Oh God, oh no. Oh God. No. Yes, you idiot. It's the red button, you idiot. Turn it off. Come on. Hurry up. Dude, if you do not turn that thing on, sooner or later, I will obliterate you with this darn cereal. But if you don't, oh my God, I will actually do it. Just turn it on. It's the red